Hi. With this movie we will show you how to upload multiple images, resize them, and also create thumbnails, using DMXzone Image Processor. With the help of Bootstrap 3 Forms Designer, we created a form, with a multiple file upload field. Note that it is not mandatory to use the Bootstrap 3 Forms Designer, nor it is required for the DMXzone Image Resizer to work. This is just our favorite way to quickly build any form. Now, as we have our form, with the multiple file upload field, we need to create a server action file. We put our action files in folders, for easier usage. Let's call this folder, Images. Now, add an action file in it, and add a name for it. Then, click Globals, and link the page containing your form. Then, select your form from the drop-down and click the Import button. Then, right-click Steps, open File Management, and add a file upload. Add a name for it, and select a path where your images should be uploaded. We want to upload them into the Uploads folder on our server. Now, right-click the Upload step, open Core Actions, and add Repeat. We need the Repeat step, as this is a multi-upload field. Add a name for it. Then, select the expression for the repeat. The upload step should be set as expression. Click Select. Now, let's add the DMXzone Image Processor. Right-click Steps in the repeat that we just created, and open the Image Processor menu. The first thing that we need to do is to load the image. So we select Add Load Image. This is the first time when we use the image processor in the site, so it asks us to add a site secret key. We agree to create one, of course. The extension automatically generates a key for our site. We do not need to remember it, as it is only required server-side by the image processor component. Click Save in order to save the site secret key in the Server Connect config file. Right-click the steps under the repeat once again, and add Load Image. Add a name for it. Now, we must specify a path to the image to be loaded. We select the Dynamic Data button for our path, as we'd like to use the image upload step to get the uploaded images paths. Select Path under the Repeat step, and click the Select button. Now, after we've defined which image to be loaded, right-click the Load step. Open the Image Processor menu, and add Image Resize. Select which image to be resized from the drop-down. We only have one image load step, so we select it. Then enter the new size for the image. You can enter the size in pixels, or in percent values. If you only fill one of the dimensions, and set the other to auto, your image will be resized, keeping its original aspect ratio. We'd like to resize our image to 800 pixels width. So we enter 800 in the width field. We'll leave the height to auto. You can enable the upscale option if you want to enable resizing of images smaller than the defined new size. Now, right-click the Image Resize step. Open the Image Processor menu, and add Save Image. Add a name for the Save Image step. This will be our big image size, so let's call it Big Image. select the format in which the image should be saved as. We select JPEG. Set the saved image quality from 1 to 100. The default quality is 75%. Then, select a path where the image should be saved. We select the same folder as we selected for the image upload. Use the naming template to rename your image on save. We use the default template, file name, plus extension. Choose whether to overwrite the uploaded image or not. If you check the overwrite checkbox, the uploaded image will be overwritten with a resized one. Otherwise, the uploaded image will remain untouched, and a new image will be created with a new size. We want to resize the uploaded image without keeping its original size, so we enable the overwrite option. Now, let's create a thumbnail. Right-click the Save Image step and add Image Resize. Enter a width for the thumbnail. We enter 200, as we want to have thumbnails which are 200 pixels wide. We'll leave the height to auto, as we need the thumbnails to keep the aspect ratio of the original image. Now, let's sharpen the thumbnails before saving them. Right-click the Resize step, and under Image Processor, select Add Sharpen Effect. Then, we need to save the thumbnail. Right-click the Sharpen step, and add Save Image. We call the step Thumbnail Image. Then select a path where it should be saved. We select our Uploads folder again. And then, we add thumb after the original file name in the Rename Mask field. And we are done. Save the action file. We just need to create a server action executor now. Create a new executor. Add a name for it. Then, select to run it on Form Submit. And select the action file from the drop-down. Then select your upload form. And set the method to Post. Click the OK button when you are done. Let's preview the results. Browse to your images, select them and hit the Upload button. The images are being uploaded, resized, and thumbnails are being created. You can see our uploaded and resized images in the folder on our server. That's how easy it is to upload multiple images, resize them, and also create thumbnails using DMXzone Image Processor.